Hey, my algebra, we're moving right along. So we're moving on to the distributive property. So we're still in chapter 1. And the distributive property says this. If you have a term next to the parentheses with a sum or difference, addition or subtraction, you can actually take this term and multiply it, multiply to each term inside. So this would be 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 times 2 is 8, and then combine it. That's 20. Or, since it's just numbers, you could have done 3 plus 2 is 5 times the 4. So either way, 4 times 3 plus 2 is 5, so that's 20. This one. So we could go 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, or you could, since it's numbers, just numbers, you can combine. That'd be 18 minus 6. Multiply this to both terms, which is 12. So go ahead and do this one either way you want. So, okay, it's 15 plus 10, which is 25. Or you could go 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 times 5. Now, they actually do this to combine variables. I'm going to show you this once. But what they say to do is to reverse the distribution. It's called factoring, which we'll do a long time from now. But I have a common term to both, so I can factor that out. So I'd have 6 plus 3, which is 6x plus 3x, and 6 plus 3 is 9. I just say this. If you have the same variable, combine the coefficients. So this would be like you have 7 candy bars, you have 2 more candy bars, so altogether you got 9 candy bars. Or 9x. 4x plus 1 more x, altogether you got 5 x's. Do these two for me and then turn me back on. Okay, so 3 x's plus 6 is 9 x's, plus 2x is 11x. Then 5x plus 6x, another 11x. Now here, we don't have just numbers, only numbers inside the parentheses. We have a variable involved. So to get rid of the parentheses, you distribute or multiply this to both terms. 5 times x is 5x, plus 5 times 6 is 30. Then we could do something with this. So 3 times x is 3x. So take this 3, multiply it, and then take the 3 and multiply it to the negative 2, which would be minus 6. Then minus 6 times x is minus 6x. Minus 6 times minus 4. 2 negatives, oh tricky. 2 negatives make a positive, and minus 6 times 4, minus 4 would be plus 24. Do these two for me, please. Okay, so 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 5 is 15. 6 times 3x, tried to trick you, that'd be 18x. Positive times a negative is negative, and 6 times 6 is 36. So we're moving this pretty quick. Hey, have a good day.